6.5 minutes.
Oh, I'm going to put on a costume. So look at the star. Take a photo of me. Okay, can you put my camera up? Okay, Lee, put me in your backdrop. No. Harry done. Mummy, did you get everyone's photos?
5 minutes. 6.5 minutes.
Oh, I'm going to tell you how to do no more food. Where's my pigeon?
No.
What did it?
Okay, 2 minutes 20 seconds.
Harry, what are you doing? Trying to fix it. Oh, why are you doing that?
Stage 2 lock doors closed out for pound fills are complete.
Less than 2 minutes.
And then right at 10 seconds they say, cancel, this is so amazing.
Hopefully not.
All fuel, all oxidizer on Falcon 9. 1 minute 34 seconds to go.
Oh, so excited.
Ground gas close-up starting.
This guy had...
What are you seeing? No, doesn't it set in 10 or 5?
10 when they start countdown. Well, yeah, can you imagine how nervous they are?
Probably at the last second I'm going to be like, no, I don't want to.
Yeah. At the last second I'm going to
And this is the second time because obviously they were completely ready on Wednesday and then it got cancelled.
Yeah, they don't know if
That would be nice. They could stay next year.
Well, no, they weren't allowed to stay there with their families. They had to be in quarantine for longer than everybody else because of coronavirus.
Because no one in the International Space Station.
Yeah, because you can't put it into space.
5, 4.
Less than a minute.
Oh my gosh, and I'm going.
They must be so nervous. They must be good friends.
Yeah, hopefully.
Otherwise they'll be fighting on the moon like, no!
No, I want to.
Oh, 29, 28.
Take 7, take 6, 5, take 5, 4, take 4, 3.
Guys, just no one say it. No one say it. We can all see.
Do it when it's 10.
Stage 1 tanks pressing for play.
T-minus 15 seconds.
So exciting.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Commencing blast off.
Oh!
Liftoff.
Oh! Hang on. We won't see it just yet. Can you hear everybody cheering? When it gets to 1 minute, we're going to run up the hill and see if we can see it.
We're not we're going to go in the car.
Woo!
Look how fast it's getting, school, guys.
So fast. Look, it's up to 500, nearly 600 kilometres. 600 kilometres.
I'm just a man.
It's so cool.
Throttling down to get ready for the period of maximum dynamic pressure. We're in the throttle bucket. Reports say all systems are go.
That's 1 minute.
Vehicle is supersonic.
Supersonic, which means over 1,000 kilometres an hour, a minute, whatever. A minute, yeah. Whoa.
Back up to full power as we're through max Q.
Okay, let's go.
Copy 1 Bravo.
Let's go. Gonna go see up the hill, see if we can see it.
We heard that 1 Bravo call out. That's just the second abort zone that they're in.
You're going to be... I'm going out. Goodbye. Okay, I'm going to... Yeah.
Wave at the train, see if it's gonna beep for us. Oh dear. Okay, just stand up for a sec. Just watch where you're putting... Oh look, it's beeping for us!
Do my hand.
What if it's gonna stop at the train station?
Ah.
Yeah, I think so.
It's going very slowly. Look, see if you can see him waving. Wave. That's it. Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god! That was so cool, wasn't it? I'll zoom in just in case that's the rocket. It might be an aeroplane. Can't quite see.
Give me those binoculars. Wait, I think I know how to do it. Wait, hang on.
Right, let him have a quick look now, Harry.
It might be. Just think about the speed of an
I know.
airplane and think about the speed of a rocket.
Yeah.
Okay, look down. Look down. What? My body.
We should be just about 5 minutes or so from that manual flight test. Again, we're just standing by and hopefully getting those views back inside Dragon with Bob and Doug shortly. If you are just now joining us, we did launch successfully 3:22 p.m. Eastern Time. So it was a flawless ride uphill. We got them right into their initial orbit. We've already done the first of our 5 major burns to get to the International Space Station, that phase burn being done successfully on time. We're standing by for the manual flight test coming up in the next couple of minutes. Out a little bit earlier on the SpaceX website. Doug Hurley's going to be at the physical controls, so he's going to be the one flying today. Dragon SpaceX, if you are ready, we're going to command far field pointing. Here we go. We are ready. Copy. I'll give you the go after the transition is verified.
That's you.
So again, they're going to put Dragon into a far field pointing. So they're going to put it into a special configuration just to let the flight computer know that, hey, this manual flight test is happening, and then the flight computer won't be trying to fight it or adjust the attitude at any point during this. Again, all of the inputs that Doug is going to make as he's doing the manual flying, they're not going to send those final commands to the flight computer. So when they're done, flight computer takes back control of the spacecraft, continues flying on its way to the station.
Yeah, so I would imagine that right now, they must be really excited to conduct this test. That Bob and Doug are test pilots. This is what they live for, and for them to have the opportunity to test out a completely new vehicle, this upcoming test is certainly something that I'm sure they've been looking forward to.
Hey, Dragon SpaceX receiving far field pointing. You are go to perform manual piloting test for 4.042.
So where are they at the moment?
Manual piloting. The test must be completed by 20.
But there, you can see it moving.
26.
So it's just... Oh, so can you see where we are? We're up there, so it's going to come past us in a minute. Well, in about 10 minutes. We're going to go back out and see if we can see it again.
Where is it? I'm gonna go outside right now.
Look, you can see, so where that blue line is, you see the UK and the blue line, that's basically where we are, so it's going to come sort of across.
So basically look straight up and we'll see it.
Hopefully. To the left side of the moon, I think they said. Okay, we've now taken up a perch in the garden because the boys needed to go to bed. And we're not doing very well at staying up so late. And there's bat. So we're gonna see it in a minute at 10:15.
I was just thinking.
Oh, there's one there.
Whoa.
I love smells so good, doesn't it?
I'm just lying on the floor. Just casually. The car's come. I don't even care if they're lying on it. I am right now.
Hopefully no cars will come. Exactly at 10:15. That's so cool. Oh, it's actually 10:12. So cool. Wow. Nothing's got funny again. Wow, that's so cool. I can't believe it. It's so big, but it's 250 miles up. That's so cool. That is so cool. Wow. I'm so excited. I'm so glad we got to see it. Left side of the moon, that's what they said.
What's so amazing about it? Oh wait, there are things people say.
Oh wow. That's so cool. Wow. You got your phone with you? Can you just bang on the window, show Harry? She's in the city room. Good to see if the boys are awake. Good to see if the boys are awake, George. George. Georgina. Good to see if the boys are awake. Just shout at the bottom of the stairs, see if the boys are awake. Come and see, Harry. Here. Here! Quick, it's going quite fast. See up there? Can you see that? Yeah. Can you see it moving? See it moving? Just above the tree. Just that one. You see it moving? Look, you can always see a tail at the back of it. It's going so fast. It is. It's going around the world. That's it. That's the rocket. So cool. Stand there. Stand there, Theo. Come on, Theo, wait. No, come here. Is it that one? Yeah, can you see just above that tree? watched it go across the whole sky. That was a real rocket. There's a bat. Right, now we can go to bed. That's so cool. Comment down below if anybody else saw the rocket.